Hello everybody, I'm Glenn Sobolski, World Pizza Champion and award-winning pizza chef. Today I'd like to show you the new PizzaRound, a revolutionary pizza container from World Centric. It doesn't have the moisture and grease buildup problems like regular pizza boxes have, and it doesn't leave your pizza tasting like cardboard. The PizzaRound is made from sugarcane and bamboo, not wood fiber like other boxes, and it's the first tree-free pizza container from World Centric. The PizzaRound is super cost-effective. Think about all the times that you have to stop to fold boxes in a rush. Think about all the things you have to put in the box to keep that pizza hot, crisp, and fresh for your guest. There's no more need for pizza liners, no more need for tissues, no more need for tents. The PizzaRound is a single mold construction. This allows for a seamless delivery, easy execution, and a nice hot product to your guest. The fresh crust dimples on the bottom of the pan hold the pizza up to allow airflow underneath and keep the crust crisper. And the channels serve two purposes, as a guide for cutting and also to channel the grease away from the pizza, again, keeping it fresher, hotter, and crisper. It's got a secure fit lid that doesn't pop open and it holds freshness longer. It also has vents on the top of the lid that you can adjust for your desired crispness. The removable lid can also act as a dish. You can add custom imprinting of up to 2 colors on the lid. The PizzaRound container lets your customers reheat a pizza in their home oven up to 450 degrees. You've seen what the PizzaRound can do for your pizzas, but what can it do for the environment? The PizzaRound is certified compostable in any commercial composting facility. World Centric is a B Corp that gives 25% of their net profits to grassroots community projects around the world. They also offset 100% of their carbon emissions by planting trees and supporting indigenous communities. Best of all of their products meet rigorous product quality, social, and environmental standards. So when you start using PizzaRounds in your restaurant, you'll be helping the environment and your bottom line. So come around to using PizzaRounds.